Okay, we started with fruits. Let's introduce some vegetables. Interesting one also. Word of the day, Master Azerbaijani has for you badimcan. Badimcan. Badimcan is, yes, eggplant, or like British English say, aubergine. Now, let's take a look at some phrases, very simple ones, and maybe not so simple sentences. Phrases first. Grilled eggplant, grilde badımcan, or grill edilmiş badımcan. Edilmiş has been done, basically. Grilled. Grillde is better, on the grill. Or roasted, sobada badımcan, or sobada kızartılmış badımcan. Kızartmak is fry, roast, but you gotta designate where exactly. In the oven, soba. Now, let's use some sentences. Akşam yeməyi üçün grill edilmiş badımcan hazırladım, or grilde badımcan hazırladım. Let's see. I prepared grilled eggplant for dinner. Simple. Akşam yemeği, dinner. Üçün, for. Hazırladım, hazır. Ready, hazırla, prepare. Imperative form. Hazırladım, I prepared. Grill edilmiş badımcan, grilled eggplant, grillde badımcan. On the grill, basically. Now, another one. Nahar üçün kaymaklı badımcan püresi pişirdim. Üzerine limon şiresi ve kara istiot ilave edenden sonra isti lavaşla birlikte ela göründü. A little long one, but you got this. I'll help you out. For lunch, I cooked a creamy eggplant puree. After adding lemon juice and black pepper on top, it looked great. Served with warm flatbread. Let's see now. Nahar üçün, for lunch, kaymaklı badımcan püresi pişirdim. I cooked creamy eggplant puree. Puree is our same. It's a loan word. Now, üzerine, on it, on top basically, limon şiresi, lemon juice ve and kara istiot, black pepper. Elave edenden sonra, after adding. Esti lavaşla, with warm flatbread, birlikte, together, ela göründü, it looked great. Now, this was my way of using the word badımcan. Let's see. Yeah, I don't hold grudges. I grill them like badımcan. Now, if you're interested in learning more ways of using Azerbaijani words or more structured ways of learning the language itself, I have Master Azerbaijani app for you. I also have, I know I say this a lot, masterazerbaijani.com, where you can learn cultural aspects of learning the language and some fun ways too. Otherwise, I'll see you tomorrow in here if you rather stay here.